Good morning, Priya.
Good morning, Rahul.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Priya. Which class are you in? I am in class 9.
Where do you live?
I live in Raipur.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live near the old park.
Who is your best friend?
You are my best friend.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Shall we go to class?
Yes, let's go.
Have a nice day.
You too.
What does this word mean?
It means to achieve success.
So, how was your first class?
It was really good, thanks.
I still can't believe you did that.
Well, it actually worked, didn't it?
Which class do you have next?
I have math, and it's my favorite.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.